We gotta go extra for YouTube. Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're gonna install these Martix cotton candy keycaps. What am I looking right here? Keycaps onto the Martix Elite. As you can see, I already started, but my mic wasn't on, so I had to redo the intro. So, anyways, I already just started. I first wanted to acknowledge the amazing packaging that Martix does with their packaging. As a graphic designer, I can appreciate something like that. So this is how it comes. This, just to show you, not to put them on blast, but this is another, I'll cover the logo. This is another keycap set that I bought for my Annie Pro, and it came in just a box like this, you know, and they just kind of just, you know, they probably, obviously they save a ton of money. They save a ton of money just packaging it like this. Jeez. But if you look at it, yo, they just throw the mother truckers in there like a bunch of Legos. What up, Peanut? You see that? These dudes just throw the keycaps in here like it's a box of Legos, you know? And it ain't cheap, yo. It ain't cheap. So this is one that I bought before that I used for the Annie Pro. And again, same switches on the Annie Pro and the Martix, but the Martix just feels like butter, yo. The Annie Pro kind of feels like the plastics grinding against each other. So anyways, so to compare keycaps, packaging, Martix, Elite, Martix is the shiz. And I think I've owned every single keyboard now. Luckily, Martix is the last one that I bought, and hopefully the last one that I would go with. My first keyboard was the one that was the iBuyPower, just the generic one that comes with most generic builds. And then the first one I bought was, what did I get? Oh, I got the Logitech G Pro. Liked it a lot, but I spilled hot chocolate all over it. So then after that, I ended up getting the Ducky Mini 1, and I ordered it from Amazon, and I don't know if it was a bootleg one, because apparently there was a bunch of bootleg Ducky Minis going around, but I'm pretty sure it was legit. But what ended up happening on it was the D. Well, every time I pushed it, it wasn't responding as like great. I mean, it worked, but it sometimes it wasn't responding. So if I had to strafe to the right, like sometimes it didn't respond, it didn't work. So I ended up not using it anymore, and I ended up getting what did I get after that? Oh, I got a Vortex keyboard. It was my first 60% keyboard. I don't know, I think it was 65%. It still had the arrows, but I like that one a lot, except the keycaps were really like smooth. They were too smooth. It was like almost slippery smooth. And they didn't, I couldn't find any keycaps to replace it. So if I would have been able to find some like rubber keycaps or something just to put on WASD, I probably would have kept using it. But that keyboard was like $140, I think. So I ended up selling it on OfferUp. After that one, I ended up getting it's right here. I'm actually selling this one on OfferUp now. And I like it a lot. It's just, I need a tactile bump. Is the Apex Steel Series. A lot of people are using this one. A lot of pros use this one. But it's super fast. This is the one that you can actually, it's magnetic, so you can change the sensitivity. But again, that one was like $170. That was expensive, so that's why I love it. I would keep it, but at $170, I can't just like let it sit around like this Annie Pro that was like $80. But this one, I like this one. It's just the Martix is just like better quality. Similar keyboard, just better quality on the Martix. So this one is the one I'll use like if I go travel. I don't mind just throwing this one in a backpack. But yeah. So then after that, here again I got the Annie Pro because I wanted to go back to a 60% with a tactile bump in it. So like, if you guys don't know, tactile bump is you can feel like a little bump when you push it in. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right, Peanut? So anyways, so the Anti-Pro, super good. But for some reason, I ended up getting the Matrix. Clix uses it. Clix is actually sponsored by them. Booga was using it before he switched to the Steel series. But I remember watching his stream, and he was getting frustrated, and he switched from his Apex Steel series back to his Matrix because he was like complaining about his builds. And I think Clix was like, yeah, dude, Matrix is the best keyboard in the world. So I'm a sucker, so I tried it, and honestly, it's honestly the best one out of all of them that I've had. So anyways, back to this. Packaging, amazing. So you're probably wondering why I already have a couple. I started the video. Swag Clown said that he couldn't hear me. So yeah, I had to restart the video. And I'm not gonna take the keycaps off and restart, but that's why I already have some. So boom, we'll just pretend I didn't open it, and I used time-lapse magic to put these on. All right, let's go. So the tool, and the reason I'm making this video is a lot of people have seen my Instagram and asked me on advice on changing keycaps and how hard it is, where to get them, and which ones to get. So I figured I'd just make a video, put it on the tube, you know. Did I just break that? No, it's fine. Cap lock, caps lock on the lock. Anyways, how's everybody doing out there? If anybody is out there. Shows there's a couple of you hanging out. What you playing today, Peanut? I played a little Call of Duty this morning and Fortnite. So maybe after this I might play one or the other, depending on what's up with the what's ups. It's actually kind of fun. Now I see why a lot of people watch that Taiheo Types or something on YouTube. He makes custom keyboards. You got virtual school today, Swag? They just put out that all California public schools are not going to be going back to school this year. It's kind of a bummer. Is your school going to be online the rest of the year as well? Such a bummer, man, for so many people, especially like I feel bad for like the high school seniors, man. They're not gonna get to go to prom. They're not gonna get to go to the senior sports. Like, may very well have played their last game of football if they're not going to college to play. Like, dude, what grade are you in? Hopefully you're not a senior. Yo, this is already looking sexy, huh? Sexy ass keyboard. Freaking sexy keyboard, yeah. I'm gonna leave the WASD white for just to see what it'll look like. Yeah. We gotta do a couple at a time. I gotta do one at a time because I don't memorize the keyboards, but I'm smart enough to know the numbers. I think I can count to 9. You know? Dun, 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 dun. You know, since I was gonna put it on YouTube, I could have just like edited it out, but I just want to be able to upload it and not have to do any editing. Yo, has anyone seen random topic? Has anyone seen the new Sonic movie? It came out last night on iTunes. We bought it, and I was a little iffy on it because of all the controversy of people saying that Sonic didn't look like Sonic, but they redid it. Oh my gosh. Yo, I love this keyboard. I freaking love this keyboard. Like, for real, I love this keyboard. And if anyone's wondering, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. They're not paying me to do this. I am doing this because I honestly think this is they're such a quality company. Had a few keyboards already in my time. Ooh, that would have scared me. Oh yeah. Waiting to do this. I got these keycaps in like a while ago, a week ago or something. I'm fast, yo. What's up, bro? It's already over? Oh. Wanna say hi to YouTube? Wanna say hi to YouTube? I'm making a YouTube video. Oh. Okay, brother. Have a good day.
I'll see you after.
Alright. Oh shoot. What should I play after this? Call of Duty? Fortnite. I gotta take the kids out on a walk. Yes, sir. You trying to play some Fortnite later? What time you gonna play? I can either play like a couple rounds after this, or I could probably take my kids on a walk and then play. I mean, I should test them out as soon as I'm done. So, what time is it right now? I could probably play for about an hour. I'm almost done here, and then I could probably play for about an hour. Yeah, let's do that. Let's play some Fort after I do this. What do you think? Should I leave the WASD white? I'm gonna do what you say, swag. What should I do? Should I leave the WASD white? Or should I put the blue? Yeah, it does look pretty cool. To leave that white, and then if it gets dirty, I have to switch them out. We'll do that. Almost done. Sexy keyboard, man. It's I didn't know the J was the other one that had the bump in the key. Let's try to make this go a little faster. We're just gonna do this whole row. Whole row. Thinking maybe leave the maybe I'll leave the enter white too. Let's see. The enter white as well. Alright, and that's it. Got this cool place. There we go. We're styled out, baby. Even Karen would approve. I don't know though. I think I might just leave the WASD white and then these kind of stand out. Let's see if we just leave WASD. Yeah, that already looks better. Let's change the enter. Whoa, skis. Looks good to me. Feels good. Let's plug it back in. Yo, what's up? I don't even remember how to change the colors. Shoot, I already forgot. I wonder if it's different now that I installed. How about this is it? All right, there we have it. New keycaps, Matrix Elite keyboard, brown switches. I got the cotton candy blue. Now I'm gonna go play some Fortnite. So, thank you guys for watching that. I'm gonna just go ahead and end the video. If you want to watch us play Fortnite, twitch.tv/Martian, MARTI6, and a lot of people call me Martin, but that's fine. Alright, YouTube. Peace.